Hi, this is Patricia with Black Santa Jax. This video is to show you how to select and order photos. We'll be using an example Prancer package today. If you are unsure how to locate your gallery of photos, please see part 1 of our video series. In the month of November, we're offering 20% off and free shipping on all orders over $40. Just use the coupon code BSJNovember. A tip is to copy and paste this coupon code into the shopping cart when it's time to check out. We'll start by taking a look at this Prancer package. It includes 3 poses. So we got some with the kids in the sleigh with Santa. In that position, we were able to take a few of them on their own. The second pose is them together in the wonderland. And then another fun pose of them together. Now let's select some photos to print. The first way is to just choose the photo. Then select the shopping cart up at the top. You'll be taken to an area where you'll see a variety of options for print sizes. The price is also included on the side. If you scroll, you'll see some more options for printing besides your standard 4x8s, 5x6s. You'll see some fine art mounted prints. If you're interested in those, you just click that and it'll pull those sizes and options up. I'm going to go back to the shopping cart because what I want is just a traditional print. I want a 5x7. When I click on the 5x7, it shows me the blue crop line. Don't worry about trying to crop out the watermark. That will be removed upon printing. So I'll move my crop box there. Be careful with your crop box. Please make sure that you are not cutting anyone out of the photo. I'd like 2 of those. So I'm going to use the little plus sign to add another one. And I'm going to add that to my cart. My image has been added. I'm going to go back out. Another way to select your photos to print is to go to the market icon, which is next to the shopping cart. When you click that, it takes you to the entire print store. Our print store includes the option of ordering holiday cards. We're going to get into a more detailed video, so check that video out of how to make our custom holiday cards. Let's see, for this print, I'm definitely interested in something a little more fancy. I'm going to try the metal print. Once there, I'm going to click the little arrow to scroll through to see examples of a metal print. And yes, this is what I want. So then you can choose the size. I'd like an 8x8. And your finish, I would like it to be high gloss. Once you've chosen your size and finish, check your price because it will change as the sizes change. Notice I made a humongous picture, 24x36, and the price definitely changed. So let me change it back to my 8x8. And I'm going to click buy prints. Now I need to select the photo that I want printed in the metal. I already have a picture of them with Santa. Let's get one of them together. I'll choose this one. Oh, that's really nice. And also make sure you remember to check the crop. You can adjust the crop of the photo. And that's where I want it. And click done and I'll add it to the cart. I'm going to continue on as a guest, but you feel free to put in your email to keep up with your orders. I am over $40, which is great. I get to use my coupon code. So in the shopping cart now, let me check to make sure this is the order that I want. 2 5x7s. I want that metal print. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Finish is high gloss. And my paper for my 5x7 is the luster print. That's what I want. So let me go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now that I'm at checkout, I see my price. It hasn't changed, but I want to apply my coupon code. So I'm going to click the star and paste in my coupon code. This is where that copy and pasting comes in handy. And look, I've saved $9 and my shipping is $0. So excellent. I've saved the cost of shipping and $9. Our shipping method when you use the coupon code will be the standard shipping. So if you would like an expedited shipping, please, when you get to step 2 of your checkout process, select that and it will be an additional fee. If you were able to get a gift card from our website, you can also click and apply the gift card code in that section. And the checkout is your standard online checkout where you put in your billing information, your shipping information, and your payment information. All of these orders will be delivered directly to your home in a beautifully wrapped box. We look forward to seeing you next year. We're so glad that you use Black Santa Jax for your holiday photos. Please like, share, and comment on our social media platforms. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.